Hello all, my pilot is on carbon credit via solid waste management. In this, we tapped amount of CO2 which is going to environment, and through that we generate carbon credits in international market. For this project, I have take two processing plant of solid waste management through which I am quantifying the CO2 emission for that two plants. In if we can directly see that in CO2 emission quantification for waste to compost plant, we generate revenue around 1.97 crores, and for waste to energy plant, we directly generate revenue around 2.5 crore, and indirectly we generate revenue around 4.55 crore. For that, the main problem with ULB is to do the calculation. So for that, I have made the toolkit in which you have to just put this much of data inputs and you'll get outputs of all these results. And to make the things more accessible, I have also made a dashboard in which you have easily get all the data, and the dashboard is directly connected with the toolkit. I'll show you the demonstration of my toolkit so it'll be better for you to understand. In the toolkit, you see there are raw data calculations, data input, results, and the flow sheet which is used for this data calculation, and the methodology which is taken by IPCC. And we consider all the factors to calculate the things. In raw data calculation, there are all data inputs, all the data is there. If you directly just you if you go through these things, so you will see all the things, like the total revenue generation and all the things, everything is there. I have put all the raw data in this thing. The ULB have to do just the data input part. Like if they want to do for 2027, 2027, they have to just put all these data, like the waste disposed at disposal site is 20%, in that last year it is around 15%, waste to compost proportion is around 20%, and if you see the waste to energy, the proportion is around 15%, and the total energy generation capacity of plant is 15. So if we go to the result, we directly see the data is for 2027, and the revenue generation from carbon credit is around 9 crore. So this is the thing you will be use easily. They have to just put data input and they'll get the result. Like if we put the things on 2026 and we change some values, like last year proportion is around 20%, waste to compost is 30%, and we go to the result, we'll directly see the result for 2026, and that is the revenue generation is 8.8 crore. So again, this toolkit is also directly connected with a dashboard, which I'll demo. In the dashboard, you'll see that this is the dashboard in which all the things are there, like per capita waste generation, assessment year, total revenue generation. You have to just go to dashboard and just refresh the data once. As I made changes in toolkit, so all the changes will appear on the dashboard too. So these are the two things in my palette. One is toolkit and one is dashboard. Toolkit is for better calculation part. The ULB is easily doing the calculations, like they have to just put data input and they'll get the output. And this dashboard is too, so that to represent that data in front of anyone to to easily understand the things. So thank you for listening up. I think this is useful for ULVs in future. Thank you.